Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company and SEO consultant. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is my ads target only one country. I'm getting a large number of bounces which appears in Google Ads to be coming from different areas of that country. Okay. I'm getting a large number of bounce which appears in Google Ads to be coming from different areas of that country, the country where you are targeting. Google Ads, I made a log of the timestamps and compared to the visits reported in Stat Counter for the state same times. Stat Counter shows these users to be in other countries that I am not targeting. They may be behind a VPN, which could explain why Google is not excluding them. They appear to be in different areas of the target country on Google Ads, but Stat Counter says they are not. How can I exclude them so they will stop using my budget every day? Okay, this is a very fair common problem which happens with the majority of the AdWords Google Ads users, and I have a solution for this with a small tweak which happens to be in the Google Ads account. I'm going to log into the account and get back to you to answer this. For instance, this is one of the account, and what you have to do over here is to move on to the campaign over here and select any campaign. For instance, I'm going to log into this account and show you with this. Okay, let's say we are going to look on this campaign. Okay, and what you have to do is to go to the settings over here. Once you select the campaign, go to the settings, and in the settings, what I'm going to show you over here is when you move on to the locations. Okay, you make sure to select this location. Okay, this is not it, this is probably a display campaign, so I'm going to answer better on a search campaign, uh, so that I can get you better with this. Let's say I show you another search campaign to answer you this question. Let's say I move on to uh, this client. Okay, this client, and this is a search campaign. Move on to the settings over here, and once you move on to the settings, you can see over here, you can see the locations over here. The locations you are going to see, select the location option over here. Once you select the location option, and you can see that Google has by default selected presence or interest, people in regularly on or who have shown interest in your targeted locations, because who have shown interest in your target location, because you have selected this by default, which is why people from other regions using a proxy or VPN are coming to you. And if you select people in or regularly in your targeted location, this can exclude it. But this only works with search campaign. As I told you that it doesn't work with a display campaign. And in case if you are seeing the error on a display campaign, there is no hard and fast rule, but you can exclude IPs, and you can even use ClickGuard. ClickGuard is a very famous tool, and my recommendations are you can use ClickGuard, and ClickGuard can help you in blocking those IPs, and this is maybe a manual work for you, and you may need to keep on identifying the traffic. You may need to also say that how much percentage of your traffic is coming from those clicks, in case if it's a display campaign. But in case if it's a search campaign, this is going to be easily so I mean, it's a good solution for you which I have presented to you. But if it's a display campaign, and if you feel that it is getting more than 10% of your traffic from other locations, then you may need a professional company to get it sorted. So in case if you need such help, me and my team can help you. We can help you with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO, web development services. So my team can help you in getting this sorted for you and having a manual eye, or we can even run a script for you on Google Ads which can sort this out. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you like this answer, I want you guys to make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.